show you how to quickly create a form and landing page in Hubspot, brought to you by Hive House Digital. First, head over to hubspot.com, log in with your account, and once you're on the dashboard, go to the Marketing tab in the top navigation and select Forms. Click on Create Form, choose the type of form you want, and for full flexibility, pick the blank form option so you can add fields, customize content, and tailor it to your campaign. Once your form is ready, save it and exit. Now let's build the landing page. Go back to the dashboard, click on Content, then select Landing Pages, and hit Create Page. From here, you can design your page, add your form, use graphics, text, and links to match your brand and guide users toward conversion. That's it. You've now created a HubSpot form and landing page that work seamlessly together to capture leads and boost your campaigns.